Oh, that's strong. This actually was surprisingly effective. Of course, there has to be some glass in there. Very impressed with the weight here. I stopped to clean up a bit of the mess. There's still a bit of glass. I'm going to have to vacuum it up. I picked up the big pieces. A bit bummed out that when I dropped the weight, it snapped the cord off because I wanted to reuse the cord, but a bit more angry. Don't really feel like using the hammer. The weight's just kind of easier. I'm lazy. Just a quick destruction video. Yeah, that really exploded. Let me just attempt to flip this the other way so you have a metal plate. Yeah. Thank you very much for watching. Have a good day.